Alright, so what up you guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Samson Q2U microphone. Now this mic is a USB/XLR dynamic microphone, which means you can either connect it by USB to your laptop or an XLR cable to the audio interface. So I did get the bundle. It comes with a mic, USB cable, an XLR cable, as well as a mic tripod, the windscreen protector, and the pop filter. So the price did go up to $160 when I purchased it. Normally it was up to $60 I believe a few months back. But yeah, let's get started. So I went ahead and opened it up already. We're gonna take a look at the things that it comes inside. So this is the mic. It's a dynamic microphone, meaning it reduces background and side noises, just picks up from the top, not so much from the background. So it does come with an on and off switch. It also comes with a volume input. You can either do it from here or manually in your software or from the audio box. So it does come with a rubber band at the top in case you drop it. It reduces the fall and damages to the mic. So on the bottom it does have a USB input as well as the XLR input and the headphone jack. So the next thing we got is the microphone mount. So you will need an adapter to screw it onto like a boom arm stand or a mic stand, so heads up. Alright, so I'm not going to go over everything. I'm just going to take everything out and set it up and show you guys. Alright, so yeah, this is the setup. It does come with a tripod, like I said, for the mic. Comes with a bunch of stuff, so like a windscreen protector and pop filter and the cables. The one thing I don't like is the stand. It's kind of wobbly. It's like a cheap plastic. The mic obviously adds some weight to it, so it tends to like tip over. If you guys want a comparison video between this mic, tell me in the comments below, so make sure to comment. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.